Hi everyone, and welcome to this channel where we can learn an AI in a simple, fun and useful way for everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the most important technique that makes AI chatbot and system way more accurate and useful. It's called r.a.g. Yes, that's r.a.g, short for Retrieval-Augmented Generations. Sounds complicated? But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, how it works, and why it is such a game changer in the AI system that use generative AI. Let's start with the basic. r.a.g stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generations. It's a method that combines two key ideas, retrieval and generations. Retrieval is searching through sources such as a database or knowledge base or search engine to find the relevant information. For example, you may ask, what time does the National Library close? The retrieval would search through documents or library website and find National Library opening hours are from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. After that, the generation will take over and uses the retrieved information to create human-like responses. Using large language models such as ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Claude AI, it will provide answers like the National Library closes at 9 p.m. But wait, if the generative AI is already super smart, why do we even need a r.a.g? I mean, this model have been trained on tons of data, right? They read books, website, code, research paper. They should already know the answer. So, isn't that enough? Well, let's take the same example. Imagine you are using ChatGPT or any AI assistant and you ask, what time does the National Library close this week? The AI may dig up information based on their training data and say some things like, most libraries are open 9 to 5 on weekends. This is a generic answer. But that's not helpful. You need the answer for specific hours for your library right now. Here's the issue. AI models like GPT are trained on massive amounts of text from the internet, but the training happened months or years ago. After that, their knowledge is frozen. The AI don't know about the current event, your latest company policy, weekend schedule changes, or your personal document. They also sometimes hallucinate, which means making up fake informations. It's like asking someone who's been locked in the room since 2023 about what happened in 2024 or 2025. They just don't know. This is where r.a.g comes in. The r.a.g fixes this by letting the AI look things up in a real time from an external sources, like your company documents or a Wikipedia database, before generating its human-like responses. Or, in simple terms, r.a.g is basically search for the current info, then generate the answer. So, instead of saying, I think most libraries are open 9 to 5, it's actually check and respond. The National Library closes at 9 p.m. according to these articles. So, r.a.g completed the generative AI by giving a more accurate data that can be useful for the generative AI. It's like the difference between asking someone to guess your friend's phone number versus having them to look it up into the phone book first. You might be wondering where it is used in real life. You probably already using r.a.g without you even realizing it. For example, Google AI Overview. When Google shows you an AI-generated answer on the top of the search result, that's the r.a.g. It searches the web and summarizing what it finds. Second example, customer support chatbot. When you chat with the support on a website, the bot searches through the help article and FAQ before answering your questions. The reason r.a.g is everywhere is simple. It makes AI actually useful for real-world tasks instead of just giving a generic responses. So why should we care about r.a.g? Here is a big benefit of r.a.g. First one is the accuracy. Instead of AI making up stuff and then do hallucinations, it references real documents and sources, so the result is more accurate. Second, current information. You can get up-to-date answer, not outdated training data. Third one is transparency. Good r.a.g system show you exactly where the document or information come from, so you can verify it. Fourth one is the privacy. Your sensitive data will stay in your system. The AI does not need to use it for retraining. Think of r.a.g as the bridge between AI language abilities and real-world current informations. But wait, can I just Google something and read it myself? Of course, sure. But r.a.g can save you time. It will automatically find, read, and summarize the information for you. No ads, no 10 tabs open, and then no reading in a very long time. Plus, r.a.g can work in the places where Google cannot. For example, your private company documents, data, or emails. How is it going so far? I hope you learn more about r.a.g. Do hit the like button and also share this video with your friend if you like it. Let's continue. For those curious about the technical side, here's a simplified overview of a naive r.a.g. It is the most basic, straightforward versions of r.a.g, like r.a.g first attempt at solving the problem. Here's how naive r.a.g works. The simple process can be divided into 5 steps. The first one, split your document into chunks. It's basically break your documents into smaller pieces such as a paragraph or a sections. There are several techniques that you can do for this, such as a fixed length chunking or a paragraph-based chunking. Second step, store chunks in a database. It's basically put all the pieces into a searchable database. Most of the time, the text will be converted to numbers. It converts each chunk into a list of numbers called as an embedding. The original chunk, for example, the library closes at 6 p.m. on weekdays, become a numbers, hundred of numbers. Then, it will save these numbers or this embedding into a special type of database called a vector database. The third step is happen when someone asks a question. It will search for similar chunk. It's basically will convert your questions into the same type of number, look into the chunk with a similar number pattern, and return that as having a similar meaning. The fourth step is stuff everything into the AI. It will take all the question plus all relevant chunk and feed it into the generative AI. Then, in the fifth step, it will generate an answer. The AI will read everything and give you a response. Advanced version of r.a.g would include pre-retrieval and post-retrieval methods, before and after searching similar chunks. Okay, so let's recap. r.a.g is basically retrieval and generations. r.a.g is already implemented in tons of tools that you probably use daily. r.a.g helps AI give a better answer by looking up a real information. The next time you're using an AI assistant that gives you a surprisingly accurate answer, current answer, now you're probably wondering, perhaps this one is actually built or having an r.a.g behind it. If this video helped you to understand r.a.g, do hit the like button and subscribe for more information and a simple AI explanations. What AI topic should I cover next? Do let me know your thought in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.